The Grips Modular Drop Mat is made from a heavy-duty, self-extinguishing canvas and provides a safe, personal work area for works conducted on grid mesh or other steel grate flooring. Grid mesh and steel grate flooring present one of the greatest risks when it comes to falling object incidents. The modular drop mat mitigates this by allowing workers to conduct virtually any task without fear of small objects falling through the mesh. The features of the modular drop mat include a raised edge on all sides to prevent items from rolling off the mat, tool anchor points on the front of the mat for tethering tools to, and anchor points on the back to tie the mat back to the grid mesh. It also includes a document pouch and knee pad, which are removable for workers' convenience. And finally, every corner and side of the modular drop mat has a zip, which allows multiple drop mats to be securely fastened together to any size, length or width. This item is load rated to 3 kilos or 6.6 pounds.